The HandStand Traction Tower is a state-of-the-art system for wrist arthroscopy, preserving classic CONMED Traction Tower features and adding modern innovations to improve clinical efficiency and effectiveness. HandStand features an intuitive Smart Connect assembly process. Only 7 total pieces make up the HandStand Tower, reducing complexity and assembly time. The tower's material and construction utilizes QuickCool Technology, so it cools quickly post-autoclave. A disposable adjustable forearm strap clips into the upper tower. A disposable adjustable biceps strap clips into the baseplate, reducing the risk of breaking the sterile field while ensuring adequate fixation. The Disposable Digit Trap includes a customizable sizing feature that allows for maximum grasp on a variety of finger sizes. Gross traction can be adjusted in the upper tower to accommodate various patient sizing. The HandStand arm can be rotated 180 degrees in roughly 15-degree increments to allow for full access during arthroscopic use. The arm can also be turned 70 degrees in either direction to accommodate flexion and extension of the wrist. The tower's upper arm can be adjusted to further accommodate for patient size. In addition, the tensioning knob at the top of the tower adjusts the scale rack to fine-tune traction. Improved maneuverability, intuitive assembly, and a lightweight design allow for an even more precise and user-friendly experience. To schedule a demonstration, contact your local sales representative today. CONMED, imagine what we could do together.